Hi guys, it's Adam Stevens Magic here. It's firework night on the Barbican, and yeah, here we are. I can actually turn the camera around. Look at that view. Absolutely amazing. It's the Fireworks Championships second night tonight, so yeah, hopefully it's going to be a good one. I didn't manage to get any footage last night, but I've got a new camera now, DJI Action 3, so just testing it out basically. What a beautiful view we got tonight. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, beautiful view. Just testing out this new camera basically. Not sure if this will end up on YouTube or Facebook or anywhere, but if it does, it does. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a minute. Got a few restaurants down here, a few places to eat. If you're ever in Plymouth, get yourself down the Barbican or the Hoe. Really nice area. Got a little coffee shack. I think it's a coffee shack, not really sure. They do food and stuff. I think it might just be food. Oh no, they do drinks as well. I'll show you the menu anyway. It's really busy over there as well, as you can see. So we got a nice restaurant here where you saw those people eating a minute ago. I don't know if the sound will pick up on this or not, but
you need a wee that Barbie hole, or you're gonna have to go. We can't.
a couple of people there on canoes. Is that a canoe? Oh no, it's a paddleboard. But yeah, we'll have to see what this camera's like. If you're lucky, I might even give you a review of the toilets. Hey! A lot of people down here for the fireworks tonight. It's the final night. They have two. Basically, they have two evenings of fireworks. So, yeah, you get to have 2 nights basically. Always on the Wednesday and the Thursday, and yeah, come down and watch the fireworks. It's absolutely amazing. It's like a fireworks championship here in Plymouth in the UK. For anyone that's watching this video elsewhere. But yeah, it's they have a competition to see who has the best fireworks basically.
judges. So it's still very good for team 2. It's really good.
Okay, I mean, I like that. Your summary there. It's kind of up there.
So yeah, we're just walking up the top now to see if we can get a better view. But yeah, we're just having a look basically. There's a lot of people up here as well, so.
Christmas tree that we were looking for, and we can see that up there. We can also see some lovely green in the industry. It's on the ground, which is what we like to see here. And here's the this leads into yeah, where we think we've seen the finale. But look at that. Isn't that tremendous?
Yeah, you've got to end on a big bang, right?
And look, fireworks hanging in the sky there, which made it really, really good. It's nice to have something trailing at the end.
Smart Pyrotechnics were the second team. We
calipso suena. Online todo el mundo baila sin parar. Si vienes a disfrutar la fiesta del carnaval, si te enamoras seguro te vas a quedar. Con el ambiente y suerte quedas hechizado a la fiesta del Callao. Del Callao. La fiesta en carnaval, si te enamoras seguro te vas a quedar. Con el ambiente y suerte quedas hechizado en la fiesta del Callao. ¡Callao! Si vienes a disfrutar la fiesta en carnaval, si te enamoras seguro te vas a quedar. Con el ambiente y suerte quedas hechizado en la fiesta del Callao. Oh, el calipso suena, el calipso suena. Baila sin parar, el calipso suena en el Callao. Todo el mundo baila sin parar, se va, se va, se va, se va, se va. Puro sabor.
That was such an amazing drone show. Really, really cool. Not seen anything like that for a long time. So, yeah, really good. Well done to all the organisers. That was a spectacular show. Hey everyone, I'm back again. It's the first time using this camera tonight, so yeah, we'll have to see what happens. But like I said a minute ago, that drone show was amazing. So, yeah, really good. I've just got away from the noise because I wanted to just go and pop to the toilet. Anyway, yeah, so I'm walking back up there now, and I'll get some footage of the fireworks in a minute, and yeah, hopefully, hopefully you'll be watching this on YouTube if the footage is good enough. I don't think I need to zoom in, will I? in your way, Gemma?
Sorry?
Am I in your
A
way?
little bit, yeah.
Is that better? They're really good, aren't they? That's the first lot of fireworks, so yeah, just waiting for the second set now. To be filming the next set in a minute, so we'll see what they're like. I don't know if you can hear me on here or not, because I'm not using an external mic, so we'll have to see. This is my first time using this camera, first time doing YouTube really, so yeah, hopefully we can see what it's like afterwards when I get it on the computer.
This should be the third one, yes. That's what they said in the speaker.
That was really good, everyone. I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah, that was super duper. Love that. I'll leave now to get the bus back, because yeah, got to get back home. So but yeah, it was really good night. So yeah, hopefully you'll see this footage on Facebook, or sorry, on YouTube, if it's any good. Anyway, we'll find out. Oh look, you can probably see up there's a big wheel. The big wheel in Plymouth. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next video. Yeah, got to get the bus home, so the last show was delayed, so I wasn't able to capture that, but next year I'll get it all sorted properly when I know what I'm doing with the camera. Anyway, have a good, see you in the next video, guys and girls. Bye. I just thought I'd do a little walk through Plymouth city centre at night, so everyone can see. Yeah, so we're just going to see what it's like walking through town at night with the new lights and all that. Here we go. It's actually quite nice now walking through Plymouth at night with all the work being done. Not sure how many millions they spent on it, but quite a few. But if you're enjoying this video, please give me a like and a follow and a thumbs up and all that, and subscribe. It'd be really good, really help me out. Thank you. All this is new in Plymouth, and then we're coming up to the new bit now, Armada Way. So you'll get to see all the lights at night in a minute. So yeah, it looks quite pretty at night with all the lights changing and stuff like that. I'll try and take you all the way to the top. We've got all this area here as well. The old bus sells food. They've even got the water on tonight. The play area for kids. I'm just about to get on a bus, so I won't go the whole way round, all the way to the top. But I'll just show you this other little play area here. Pirate ship there. It does look good. Right guys and girls, thank you for watching. It's been an experience trying to work out with this camera. Don't know whether any of this footage is going to end up on YouTube, but hopefully it does. And please like, subscribe and do all that jazz for me, and I can make some more videos then. Bye.